open this box. This I got from Coach, so hold on, I'm going to start it and then I'll come back. Okay, now I have to be careful so I don't cut the bag. And how did the box come? Just a little dented. just a tad, but not waterlogged or bent or wet. Stick in here. Oh, this is the boring part. Sorry. And this came yesterday, and I was really excited to get it. Got my receipt. And this is the size. Oh, look at that. I've watched a lot of unboxings with Big Hound and looking to see whether they've been used or if they're packed properly. Oh, that is pretty. This is the rivets. This is dark turquoise, Rogue 25. I just drew a blank on the name. Can we see? I'm sorry, I'm looking through the viewfinder. And let's see. Oh, it's all wrapped so pretty. I hate to take it apart. But let's see how these rivets, how the handles are. Let's open it up first. Boy, it's a much darker color. I thought it was going to be a bright green, blowout green, but it's not. Oh, it's perfect. It's got a dust bag and everything. And these handles are a little bit longer than the regular size. The 20. Okay, I'm getting confused. The 31 Rogue. It's small inside. I like a big bag. Well, this is definitely a new bag, I think, because it has, can you see in there? I'm sorry. It's got all the stuffing. And I like these little moisture absorbent things. And I'm going to take these little handles off. Where'd my scissors go here? Oh, it's so exciting. And I'm just really happy with the color. Fancy. Okay. And let's take this off. So I was thinking, you know, this is the key bell, key lock. Oh, is that a little tassel? Oh, yeah, the little tie. Look at how everything's packed. But if you could hang a key on there, I can never get this little key ring out of there enough to hang a key on, so must just be decorative at this point. Okay, let's see if I can find the name of this one. It's the Rivet Rogue. There's probably another part of the name there that I'm not getting. Okay. And it's the 41. And it says the 41 on the side tag. Boy, is that ever cute. It's just little, too. Now, I never wear blue very much, but I have it on today, so I'm going to show you one of the other bags I got. And here's the care card and authenticity card here in my end so you can see. And what do we got here for the price? The price on this, $7.95. Ooh, that's because it's got the rivets on there. And here's, I've been kind of playing with these because I've never had rolls before. But we've got the swizzle on these. But how did I figure out to do it that works the best? You have, instead of hooking it like this, you hook the straps like that. Towards the inside. Boy, that's a pretty little bag. And then I've got another one that's just beautiful that I just totally adore, but it's defective. And I'm going to return it, and with any luck, I'll have another one. Can you guys see that okay? I think I'll like that one.